Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to install a pump shaft in a containment shell. For this you'll need a shaft, a containment shell, and 3 other tools. You'll need a centering tool, an arbor press, and a spacer. This spacer is just a piece of aluminum wrapped in duct tape. Basically its function is to protect the shaft when you're pressing it in. The first thing you'll do is you're going to want to look for the groove on the pump shaft. This groove mates to a key inside the containment shell. So now the first thing you're going to want to do is align the groove with the key. Hold the shaft in place and then place the centering tool over the shaft. Put your spacer on top of the shaft and bring the whole assembly over to the arbor press. Line the shaft up underneath the arbor press and press it into place. Afterwards, take the centering tool off . Put the spacer back on and continue to push the shaft in. Take the spacer off and you've now just installed the shaft in a containment shell.